Now to Protecting Paradise, our commitment to raising awareness of the environmental issues that affect your quality of life. A Palm Beach County city has found a new use for those cigarette and cigar butts that you often see on the sidewalk. Delray Beach is using a different method to keep them off the sidewalks and out of our environment. South County reporter Miranda Christian has a look at the program.
It's a box that might go unnoticed when walking by.
So those who are wanting to use it know what to look for.
Delray Beach calls them butlers and attach them to light poles along Atlantic Avenue in March.
This is a cigarette butler.
A place where smokers can drop their used cigarette and cigar butts. But these are not just additions to the city's trash collection. What's dropped in these butlers are used again.
All of which it's 100% recyclable.
Clean and Safe Administrator Amanda Scabera says the city will take the used butts and send them to a recycling company.
The paper and the tobacco, they break down, but then the filter itself has a lot of plastic fiber. That's the part that they melt down into pellets.
Scabera says the program has collected 23,000 butts since March. Just take a look at all of these collected in September and October.
I would say whether we collect 5 or 500, that's that much less litter that ends up in our landfills and our waterways.
The city says it costs $2,500 to install all the butlers from Swinton to Federal Highway, and they plan to keep adding more. In Delray Beach, I'm Miranda Christian, WPTV News Channel 5.
A plastic straw ban officially went